Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are mastering English at work, but keeping it fun and casual. We're using our special double loop method to lock these phrases into your brain. Here's how it works. First, I say the sentence, then my friend repeats it slowly so you can practice. I say it again, and finally my friend says it at normal speed. Simple, right? Before we start, please smash that subscribe button and like this video to support us. Ready? Let's go. I definitely need more coffee today.
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 Is it Friday yet? Just kidding.
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 My computer is acting weird again.
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 Who is ready for a lunch break?
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 That deadline is coming up fast.
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 Any updates from the client?
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 Who can take this task?
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 Did you see my last email?
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 I am heading out early today.
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 I am swamped with work right now.
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 You totally crushed that presentation.
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 I have no idea what just happened.
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 I am totally on board with that.
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 Sorry, I'm running a bit late.
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 Can you give me a hand?
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 Thanks for your help today.
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 Let's wrap this up for 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 today.
That's all for now. Keep practicing. See you next time.